To find the volume that is obtained when the shaded region is rotated 360 degrees at x-axis is, the first step is to find the volume under the curve, which the equation given is y equal to x squared. To find the volume, we must insert this equation into this formula, which is volume equal to pi, the limit given, integrate y squared dx. After you insert the equation in this formula, you will get this equation, which is v equal to pi, the limit given 1, 0, open bracket, x squared or close bracket power of 2 dx. Next, pi, the limit given 1, 0. To make the bracket disappear, it will become x power of 4 dx. Next, I will show you how to integrate this equation. Pi, bracket, integrate this x power of 4, it will become x power of 5 per 5, close bracket, 1, 0. Next, put the 1 inside this x, which is pi equal to pi open bracket 1 power of 5 per 5 close bracket minus 0. The answer is 0.628 unit cube. That is the volume for the shaded region under the curve.
Next, the y given is negative 2x plus 3. So if we want to integrate this equation, we must put this equation into this formula. V equal to pi, the limit given, integrate y the power of 2 dx. So the y is already given, which is negative 2x plus 3. So we include this equation into this formula just like this. So it will become v equal to pi, the limit given is 1.5 and 1, integrate open bracket negative 2x plus 3 close bracket the power of 2 dx. But before we integrate it, we must expand this equation. Why? Because of this power of 2. So after we must expand, it will become like this, 1 and 2. So we expand this equation just like as usual. Negative 2x times negative 2x, it will become negative 4x power of 2. Negative 2x times 3, it will become negative 6x. 3 times negative 2x, it will become also negative 6x. And lastly, 3 times 3, it will become 9. Close bracket, and don't forget the dx. After that, you will find a new equation, and then you can integrate it as usual after you find the final equation, which is negative 4x power of 2 minus 12x, because negative 6 minus 6, it will become negative 12x plus 9, close bracket, dx. And you can integrate it as usual to the next step.
Okay, now we put the limit 1.5 and 1 into this x and solve it just like this. Pi, open bracket, 4 into bracket 1.5 the power of 3 over 3 minus 12 into bracket 1.5 the power of 2 over 2 plus 9 into bracket 1.5 close bracket minus open bracket 4 into bracket 1 the power of 3 over 3 minus 12 into bracket 1 the power of 2 over 2 plus 9 into bracket 1. Okay, close bracket. And the answer for this are 4.5, and the answer for this, when we solve on calculator, the answer for this are 4.33. Okay, and the answer for this is 0.5236 unit cube.
The last step to get the final volume of this question. So the first volume of VB is 0.6283 and the second volume of VA is 0.5236. The final step is we just do some addition to these two types of volume. So the step is 0.6283 plus 0.5236. Then we calculate it, use calculator, and find the final volume that we will get is 1.1519 unit cube. So this is the final volume for this question, and that's it for me. Thank you.